Welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys, Dashy.
Dad.
Wow.
Oh. God, that bottle's heavy. Keep calm, enjoy Fun Friday and smack your dad with the water bottle on the knee. Lovely. Now, everyone.
Listen up. Woo!
I was perusing YouTube, pardon me, as I often do, and I saw this, and nothing else mattered after that. I just said to Dash, Marillion, Crying Nightingale live. She went, yep, Fun Friday,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is live from their new album, which is a live album in Port Zélande, Zeeland, Netherlands, 2023, out June 21st, on Ear Music. That's it, go and buy it.
Wow, yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Go on, off you go.
I'm so
I'll give you some.
excited because this is one of my favourite.
Pre-order
songs
it
on
now.
this album, so.
I'm going to. Yeah, so this is the awesome. We did the original. We did the proper visualizer of it, and it was gorgeous.
Amazing.
So we wanted to see it live. We've now got it live, and it's going to be the same quality as as it is when you buy it. So we thought, yeah, we'd jump right on this.
Definitely.
So this is the phenomenal from the Friday, March the 17th to Sunday, March the 19th, 2023. The Marillion weekend, they have a weekend, they do it every year, and they do different countries, and they do the whole weekend with the fans. It's awesome. Took place in Center Parcs, Port Zélande, the Netherlands. On Saturday night, Marillion performed their latest album, An Hour Before It's Dark, in its entirety.
Wowza.
Their impressive live shows with stunning projections and laser effects add to Marillion's reputation as being one of the leading musicians of today. Of today.
Amazing.
Now, I think they're with their the quartet, the violin, cello, and quartet in Praise of Folly. I think they're there with them. I see somebody on that, and they tend to do that quite a bit now, and that's awesome because it was in at the Albert Hall as well. Oh yes, and somebody said that get your facts right, mate. Yeah, mate. But Marillion have been at the Albert Hall before. Well, maybe, but was that Fish? Or was that H?
Yes.
Because I don't know. And I don't say I know. I just said I hadn't heard of them being at the Albert Hall before.
Yes.
Mate. And we'll leave it there. So, 6 minutes 48. Crow the Nightingale live. HD. Ear Music. Plenty of subscribers.
Oh yeah, go check them out, please.
This is going to be fabulous.
Two off me and Dad, 1.1. Holy moly.
I forgot that bit.
Yeah, no worries. Headphones on. Too
Play
excited.
the awesome tape.
Enjoy.
This is a thank you to Leonard Cohen. This song is called The Crow and the Nightingale.
I love his outfit.
Isn't he hot?
Thank you for your words of longing. It doesn't really matter whether or not I understood them. It doesn't really matter where they take me or how they take me. A witch black hair in a storm, an unruly sea of soft frozen fear, or a paradise of parts. As long as it's not here, as long as it's not here, but a rooftop I can go to scream above the birds, adding my dull sheet to your brilliant words. A job for crystal, wrapped in the sun, with sail, wrapped in the sun, wrapped in the sun, with sail, wrapped in the sun, wrapped in the sun, with sail, make it something that can be looked at.
Wowza, holy moly. First off, oh, the visuals, and it's very clever how he's like bringing the atmosphere together, and oh, what an amazing song. Oh my god. Wowza, wowza. Goosebumps.
Stunning.
Yeah, phenomenal.
Why would it not be?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I've nothing more to say.
Wowza.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
speechless. Enjoy.
Make it something that can be looked at without hurting.
I could try.
Back and try. I can't fly, but I'll open my rough beak and squawk at the sky, the crow and the nightingale. I can't fly, but I'll open my rough beak and squawk at the sky, the crow and the nightingale, the crow and the nightingale. Wrap in the sun, sail. Wrap in the sun, wrap in the sun, with sail. Make it something better than darkness, better than blindness. Make it something that can be looked at without hurting, without hurting. Lucky Hannah of Troy in a padded room behind frosted glass, howling at the moon, squawking at the sky. A racket and a tune.
Wowza.
What I like about this particular album as well is for quite a while now, Steve Rothery's, he tends to be on his leash, doesn't he? Where he's not really letting go. It's like he's quite restrained. And this song he really lets go. He let him out of the cage. Crow the Nightingale. And
yes.
Show what I mean, everyone knows what he can do. He's a superb guitar player. But I mean, I just love it when he does a bit more.
Yeah, definitely.
And that is a cracking
Oh,
song.
it's amazeballs. I want it to be longer. I was like, oh no.
That flew!
Yeah, like the Crow and the
I mean, we've had 3-minute songs sometimes that we struggle with.
Wow.
As long as it's over yet. This one, what? It's over?
6 minutes 48. Wow, so enjoyable. Holy moly.
Awesome. We're going to get that.
Yeah,
we will get that. I think you lot will get it as well. Support them because they're not really, they're with their music, but they, they need.
Yes, I would love
Our
to see
support all the
see
time.
them do that album because we love it, don't we?
And knowing Marillion, when they finish this lot of Marillion weekends coming up in 2024, they will be in the studio and they will give us a new album for 2024, 2025.
Ooh,
I
yeah,
bet.
I bet you, yeah.
Anyway.
Yep, we haven't heard the words.
They're on fire at the minute.
Marillion. We haven't heard the last of them. Woo!
God no,
Go check
definitely
out
not.
the playlist. Don't forget to ring ding. Thank you again for being with us.
Keep calm, enjoy Fun Friday. Listen to Marillion. We do have a playlist
Yes.
and the Crow the Nightingale, the official videos on there as well.
Yes.
Enjoy it again and again and again. They are a very special band and we are
are.
not done with Marillion by a long way.
No. More coming.
More coming. Please like, comment and subscribe and we will see you very soon, everybody. Thank you. Marillion!